Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Hey, come on, tell me, baby. Come on, tell me, baby.
I like I need to drink around and mind my own business. I'm dead.
Hey, what you move on to the yard? Instead of that, when I walk
What is?
Hey, carry on.
Help me now, work for them.
Come from that side there. Richard Boo.
I'm joking this yo. Got it. I shot that. Jaja good. What are you sinting to?
Hey! Richard Boo there, move. Watch ya.
This is Jamaica.
Them a bully for buckle do. I put them back there. Yeah. Never see it yet. Not yet. Tell them the police are coming for them, yeah.
My people, viewers, subscribers, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You see Jamaica, you know what our problem with enough of we? Enough of we too careless and nothing for do. You understand? Yes, some of them now. We not gonna work. No work any day. Look how much people out there rock and hustle and sell them look thing out there. But, so what go on now? Them set a woman now. Because some of them real woman, you know. But that's the main sin thing, the them people. I want cross up sin thing, you know. I want cross up one day. I want to mix in a two thing, you understand? I want to swim around. So no matter if I hear me talk and I say I ain't attack people, I tell you the reason when me not attack who forget attack. You understand? When me attack, me attack. But what I'm saying, my viewers and subscribers, they will same thing and I work for you. Me understand so no phone I go to sell at night time. But still yet, when you sell at night time, when you tired in the day, you go get some rest, man. But instead when in the street, how much you want buckle, my people? Question, how much you want buckle? The last time I hear them say 30 Jamaican dollars for one buckle. And the amount of buckle I miss them sinting and fling up there so, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. That past 30. And if you shall multiply, say 30 times 20, my people, how much that I get? $600. And the amount of buckle them are fling, about 4 to 5 of them they are fling buckle. And if you check with each one of them fling how much buckle my people, how much money them fling and mash up there, so. Basically, my people, as I tell you, are the twist cross sinting, the swim around sinting are the main one. Because him basically, you can't see it, you know, in the whole altercation with everybody, my people. Him. But them not nothing for do. And the one in there up in the whole scene thing up there, so lock up in there, now come out. But I don't even know if it a fling nothing to you. Maybe one of you a fling, but me now say good all me I look me I say job. But that be a thing I come up in there. On a real level, yo. See, Jamaica, we have too much crosses done them, my people. And some of them crosses I need to get rid of. You understand? Me need to get rid of. Me now tell me if you go take them out, then take them cheap. What me need to get rid of? Then if you can't say, I go fling done. Go build one cow pasture. And go give them if you go work, you know. You understand? Carry them to some woodland, go chop it done. Because them need something if you go do. Them strong, them full of strength, them full of energy. Them full of energy. If you have fling so much buckle for what? Look much people carry their pass. People did their walk and I mind them one business like come here drink Corona. And me now mind my business right now because me attack them. Because the video sent to me and said NEWLINK this I'm done at Denham Town recently. Denham Town, you know. Them place that place I'm there. Walk the street them all. You know what I mean the people. And me I say yo look what I go on. On a real level yo. You don't need to do better man. You don't need to do better. Big old broad daylight. Yeah, buckle fling, ching, 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 twing, quang, quang. Buckle up there, so. The people in shop whoop over there, so. Other people are walk about them business. And the one where them people, they swim around, same thing. The sharky one, same thing there. It, as me say, it are the mean one. Look how it operate. You see, it have a crate in my hand. And it a go forward. Sit down, pan crate, bold enough. Same thing should have take you and comes up, ping! And take you a fight too. Come on, man. We need to find something, though, man. The time when they are waste of the street, but they fling back like this. You know what time and energy you could have put into something successful? Look at my things no can there. I must say, maybe I sell and sell it. Which me I big up the seller them because I mean I disrespect seller, I rate sellers. You understand? Yes. Respect them because I respect people. Some people look down upon the seller them and say attack them NEWLINK because them and sell it. No. Me not attack no seller. Me respect them. You get what me I say? Because honestly, I will if I life them see about it, you know. Even though some people say, yo, them take all people because them about thing, but me can't tell you, say, seller is some of the most cleanest people you can think of. Yeah, man, no joke. But, back to basic, my people. As me say, the way them look and the way them carry themselves and the way them belong, my people, them now have a 9 to 5. Because in a broad daylight, if they did have a 9 to 5, they would not be there doing that. And them would never cut this swim around twist crossing thing, my people. No, you understand? But see them, you then call it Richie Boo! Richie Boo! Richie da. Tell them man they need to go find something though. Go find something then they don't come on the cost government. We don't cost the dance on have this on and have that. But so we don't implement in the time, you know. If you got throw back laughing off or whatever up there. And lick down all building. Now that you know they do. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But people, big up on yourself. More love, more blessings, and more respect. You know, I thank you for the love and for the support, for the like, the share, and every comments of people. I don't know, say one team, one dream, one scheme, and one attacking boss. And I just more blessings to people and just continue to be safe, continue to do the right thing, my people. You understand? Real. Be real out there, my people. Because you see nowadays, Satan out there. You understand? And then same thing, yeah. Some days them they so peaceful and so quiet, and then 2 trees, something do happen here. So what? Life last, life gone. Because what? Then listen. Remember to like the video, my people. Please like the video. Share the video. Comment under the video. You understand? Because them they strengthen, you know. Strengthen the progress, strengthen the things. So like the video, comment and share, my people, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, CM Speed, and Facebook and to the NEWLINK Production Official. Attack them NEWLINK. Swim around same thing. Jaja says. Jaja knows. Peace out. Blessing.